In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Microsoft Word file, a fundamental skill that's essential for anyone using a computer for work, school, or personal projects. Whether you're drafting a report, crafting a letter, or piecing together a novel, knowing how to save your work in Word will ensure that no idea or sentence goes amiss. This tutorial is designed to guide you through the process step by step in just about 5 minutes, so let's dive in. First things first, we need to open Microsoft Word. To do this, begin by locating the Windows Start menu. It's usually found at the bottom left corner of your screen, symbolized by the Windows logo. Clicking on this will reveal a variety of options and applications, but our focus today is Word, so let's move on to that. Once you've opened the Start menu, your next step is to find Microsoft Word quickly. You can do this by using the search bar located within the Start menu. Simply start typing Word into the search field. As you type, suggestions will begin to appear above or below your text, depending on your version of Windows. Among these suggestions, you'll see Microsoft Word. That's what we're after. Now click on Microsoft Word to open it. If you've followed along so far, you should now be looking at the Microsoft Word application window. Here you might see a variety of templates and recent documents. But to start fresh, we want to open a new blank document. To do this, head to the Word home screen and look for the blank document option. This is generally found easily amongst the other templates offered by Word. Clicking on blank document will open a new empty document where you can begin to craft your text. After you've poured your thoughts, research or creativity into the document and it's time to save your work, you'll want to ensure you don't lose any of it. To save your document, simply look towards the upper left corner of the Word application. Here you'll typically find a small floppy disk icon, an old school symbol for saving files. If the icon isn't immediately visible, don't worry. You can also click on the File menu found in the top left corner, then select Save from the drop-down options. Upon choosing to save your document, if it's the first time you're saving this particular file, Word will prompt you to choose a location for the file as well as a file name. Selecting a location is significant because it determines where on your computer or network your file will live. You might save documents to your Documents folder, a specific project folder, or even a cloud location like OneDrive or Dropbox if you want to access your file from different devices or share it with others. As for the file name, make sure it's something descriptive and memorable. This will make it much easier to locate your document later. In some cases, you might also want to pay attention to the file format. While the default format .docs works for most Word users, sometimes you may need to save your document in a different format such as PDF, especially if you're sharing it with someone who might not be using Word. You can select the file format from the Save as Type drop-down menu in the Save dialog box. Remember, regularly saving your work as you make progress is crucial. It prevents the loss of data in case of a computer crash or power outage. A handy tip is to use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+S, Command+S on Mac to quickly save your work without interrupting your flow. Additionally, taking advantage of Word's auto-save feature, if available, can provide an extra layer of security for your documents, automatically saving them at intervals to a predetermined location. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to save a document in Microsoft Word. By following these steps, you can ensure that your documents are saved securely and you can return to them whenever you need. Whether you're working on an important project for work, completing an assignment for school, or jotting down your personal thoughts, saving your document properly is a key part of the process. Happy writing, and remember, save early and save often.